technology can be cool, not just something for engineers. So the partnership between TechZone and Huawei Cloud aims to provide the best solution for our Indonesian customers' digitalization. So in the next few hours, we will introduce our core products and our companies to you. If you encounter any complicated concepts, don't worry, we will not set a quiz at the end. We just let you know how can we help to make your business easier. I believe today's discussion will not only deepen your understanding of our products, but also lay down a solid foundation of our future cooperation. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy yourself. Once again, thank you for being here. And we are looking forward to explore the potential partnership opportunities with you. And also, we have set up our interactive session and network opportunities, so everyone can make a meaningful connection here. If this speech feels too long, don't worry, the best part is always at the end. Thank you. So here we have three parts of our cloud. So first of all, we have an overview of Huawei. And secondly, we have an introduction of Huawei Cloud. So, and thirdly, we have a local introduction for Huawei Cloud. Okay. So Huawei, maybe most of you know Huawei as a phone provider in the market. So actually, we started our business 30 years ago as an ICT provider in the worldwide, and now we have provided services over 170 plus countries and regions, and we have over 200,000 employees, and we invested over half of our revenue to our R&D, and we rank 4 in the worldwide as the R&D investment. Next, please. And this is our value proposition. So we are going to build a fully connected and intelligent world with our different product line. And next, please. As you can see here, we have we have 3 different parts of business. So here we have consumers, and we have careers and enterprises. So for consumers business, as you know, it's phone, laptop, and smartphone solutions, and smart car solutions. And for career, this is what where we started our business. So we provide the hardware such as routers, such as switcher, and antennas, and wireless product to our career customers. And additionally, we provide all our products to our enterprises customers. So just like the hardware, the phone, the laptop, also including our cloud. So as you can see, no worries. So yeah. So here are our products. So we provide all of these products to these 3 different part of customers. So cloud is here. We are providing public cloud, hybrid cloud, and private cloud. And we also have digital power and computing and connectivity. Next, please. And here I'd like to introduce Huawei Cloud to you guys. So Huawei Cloud in Indonesia. So this is Huawei, not Huawei Cloud in Indonesia. So for Huawei, we have over 2,300 employees in Indonesia, and over 90% employees are Indonesian people. And we have different offices in different cities in Indonesia. The headquarters is at Jakarta, and we have also have 6 national logistics center here. Yeah. Next. And here are some our advantages of our cloud in Indonesia. So we have 380 disaster recovery architecture. That means it will we provide a very high reliability cloud services here. And we have a full stack cloud native. That means you can create your solutions on our cloud, totally on our cloud, with our container service, serverless. So you can build it from your start.